welcome back to another beautiful day. It's Saturday, by the way, and it's a beautiful day. I feel so happy. I feel so refreshed this morning. How are you guys doing? I hope your week was great. If it's not, this is another opportunity for a beautiful, refreshing week. Just start all over. It's Saturday reset. I'm going to be doing like a weekend reset kind of video. So I was just trying to put my room in a little bit good state. Let's go to the kitchen and let's see what we're going to make this morning for breakfast, okay? Some stuff, quickly show you guys some stuff I have here. We have fish. See Renee. Let me show you guys Renee. Look at Renee. Renee, say hi. Renee, say hi to the vlog. Renee, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Mommy, she has been walking everywhere. Renee now runs, guys. She's no longer walking. Anyways, you guys, what fish is this? I think it's called barracuda, right? Linda, what's this called? We have a couple of fish here. Let me put it. You say they call it Inkita Jujuku. In her place. That means dog will wait. Okay. The dog will wait. You go see something to chop. Exactly. This fish. As you put them for soup, even your teeth go tired, no go fit here. It's really hard. So this is the fish we have here. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Inkita Kejuku, as she said. This one is boar. I know what this one is. You guys know what this one is, right? This is boar. Oops. One just fell down. This is another bowl. So we have like five of this type here. We're going to be making yam with maybe one of this. You know, can use one to make yam. This other one is usually good in okazi soup. Let me show you guys the yam. So what we have here on fire, we have yam on fire.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
Guys, this pepper is so hot. See how my kitchen is looking very unkept. I need to wash dishes. So those ones are clean, cha. Those ones over there are clean. I need to put them where they're supposed to be and wash these ones. And guess what? Our gas just got finished. So I'm going to buy gas now. This is not far from here. I have to go with the 3 cylinders to buy gas. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm with.
So as I said, our gas just got finished, but I transferred it to the hot plates. Thank God there's lights, so the hot plates will just keep cooking it while they go to get gas. That pepper is so hot. So guys, regarding fish, me, I don't know how about you guys. I don't like fish like that. Like, I'm not a dry fish person. Are you a dry fish person? Do you like dry fish? I prefer smoked fish. That's why most times you guys see me going to the market, I'm always getting smoked fish. That's because that is what I enjoy eating. You know, I enjoy eating smoked fish. I don't really like dry fish. All these dry fish, yes, they're expensive, but they're not my thing. I prefer my smoked mackerel fish, not even the other type, just mackerel. Hopefully once I finish cooking, I'll just have my bath, then go to the market, buy things for soup, maybe cook soup today. If I don't cook soup today, then definitely know that the next time I'll be cooking soup is going to be Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, and this is your oversized shirt. I always like giving, when I buy that nightwear, I always like buying it in oversized. I don't know. It looks beautiful more when it's oversized. You know, oversized shirts are beautiful. Yeah, it makes them look more matured. Say hi. Say hi. Sorry. So this weekend is going to be so chill. Now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Guys, did you guys see my hat? I'm wearing my 5 Nights of Glory hat. Or should I say Glory Rain? That's the new name of the program. I just put on the hat, and that's because I don't feel like wearing wig. This is my everyday Christmas clothes. You guys should have gotten used to it by this time. You know, everybody has that one clothes that is just... You know, sometimes I'm in that mood, and I'm in the mood of just wearing this my everyday clothes because I cannot be busy looking for what to wear. I need to rush down to the market, get some stuff, come back, and I'm not cooking today. I'm cooking tomorrow, which is the good news. So yeah, I'm heading to the market. I'll talk to you guys when I come back. The weekend is looking good. Oh, Isabel wants to start with her song. It will not end. Isabel will continue off camera. These are some of them. Wow, I nearly left this gate open. When they go outside, you go run for shoot them today. Let's see, what of the broilers? Is that how it? You know what's funny? She caught one of the chicken. They are so big. They had to turn back. I will turn back and look at like this. Drop me now, else I'll deal with you. Fia catch her, we won't catch fowl. She won't catch fowl. The fowl just turn back. Look like this.
Look me. What's that?
What's that? You don't have respect. Am I your mate? These chickens, some of them are 2 years old now. You know, after 2 years. Almost 2 years chicken.
And I think the action there. The action.
The chicken just vest on looking like, are you mad? You want to catch me? You don't have respect.
No, I mean when you fit or die.
I'm telling you. Just look for another one that is not very arrogant.
Yeah. Now you go my eyes in my car. Now you.
Which one? The black one?
This one.
Catch her. Catch. Do it. Oh, you see, they are going to enter the house now. They are going to enter the house, so you can't even, it's easier for you to even catch them there. Yeah, catch. She finally caught it. It's so fine. The color is so bright, like sun. I think I see this beautiful chicken. We're not supposed to kill our fellow women. Women support women. We're not supposed to kill our fellow women. So let's get men. What is that? He jump on your chest. He jump fly on top of your chest. Hey, I don't think catch one foul. I can't hold this thing. Hold this thing, I beg. I don't know what you're doing. You do a jab. All this a jab. Hold this thing. I'll catch this foul now. You guys, watch me. Watch me. Which one do you want me to catch? Tell me the one you want me to catch.
Anyway.
It's still part of the trick. You just to deceive them. I think you just play. Okay? Hi, guys. The person that's supposed to help us catch this fowl traveled. We're left alone and we need to eat chicken. We can't wait for him to come back. Look at the man in this house. What do you think? What do you think?
But I think, and she be English fowls. Not supposed to have to catch now.
Which one the English fowl? I don't understand. From there, plenty here. Let's see. Ain't that you helpful?
Yay! 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 liver. That's my liver.
How you feel.
See. That one fight though.
I understand how you feel. I finally caught it in less than 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Let's go. See how long it took me to catch one fowl. So I'm even using my hand to touch my face to go and wash my hand. It took me such a long. Okay, it didn't take me long, but it took us a long time to figure it out. But I finally caught it. I feel bad, but it's the destiny. We need to eat chicken. We need to eat chicken. Which are tough. Good day. We need to eat chicken. So I'll talk with you guys once I get to the market.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Things I got four achi, some dried peppers, some periwinkle, a lot of it because we're going to put some in the fridge. And this is the chicken. I actually chicken, you guys see the head and everything. So I washed this and put it in the fridge. And I got this stuff to put stuff in the fridge. I have the big ones, but those big ones, like when you fill stuff with it, it's kind of hard taking it in parts. So I just got the smaller ones for soup and any other stuff. Because I need bread for the house. It's for Renee's pap. So we used to have this one. In fact, we have like 3 of these things now. What am I saying 3? I like not up to 10. We have up to 10 of these things in my house. 10. But these ones, they no longer keep to make stuff hot. So I tried to get this one. Hopefully this one works. It's quite heavy and it's just for Renee's pap. Veggies, I already put them in the fridge. And green peppers or spring onions just for tomorrow. And that's shombo and tatashe.
Moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Hey guys, happy Sunday! Happy Sunday from here. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. Yeah, let me put on the fan. It's quite hot. I just finished having my bath. It was quite eventful, even if I didn't go to church today. And I promised myself that this year I want to be going to church every Sunday. Even if it doesn't mean that going to church every Sunday doesn't mean that you're holier or better, or I just think it's just going to further my relationship with God, like bringing me closer to me. It's just something I decided to do this year, and I started it off very well. But like 2 Sundays now, I've not gone to church. God help me. Next Sunday, hopefully, I will go to church. But yeah, today I cooked. You guys saw the food. It was so delicious. It's beginning to become my favorite special Chinese fried rice or special basmati rice or special fried rice, whatever you want to call it. But I'm beginning to love it a lot. I cleaned my room. Then I want to edit a video, which is this video you guys are watching that will be going up today. Then maybe I would have loved to go get my hair washed and cornrowed, but I'll just manage this one this week for work. Then maybe on Friday or any day within the week that I don't really have anything serious to do in the office, I'll just go do my hair. But I need to put fuel in my car this evening, so the fuel scarcity is still on. But gladly my husband got fuel. I don't know where he usually gets fuel from, so there's fuel in the house. I just pray he doesn't watch my vlogs. I'll go and take small fuel and put it inside my car. Just pray he doesn't watch his vlog. But yeah, I'm supposed to go and buy fuel, but I don't have strength to go and start looking for fuel. The problem now is not like you don't have money, it's where to buy it. You're going to find the last one I got from black market. I got 3,000 for 10 liters, and guys, it wasn't even up to 1 bar in my car. Like, it was not up to a bar. So I need to get fuel, put in my car. Then yeah, hopefully I did this video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy this vlog, please do it to give me thumbs up, like, share. If you're my new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Hi, I hope you enjoy my vlog so far, and you guys should let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Hopefully this week we're going to have a fashion content coming on. I miss my fashion content. I love clothes, I love dressing up for you guys. It's a lot of work, but I love doing it for you guys. So I'm going to have a fashion video coming up, so keep your hands crossed for that. But yeah, this is it for this vlog, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate, and bye bye.